Hey guys, happy Saturday. Okay, so it's been a while since I've given you an update on my tower gardens, and I want to do that because I broke the #1 rule about gardening with an aeroponic growing system, and that is I forgot to put water in it. So they both got low. I came out and realized that my greens at the top of my tower were very droopy. My tomatoes were looking a little droopy. So I'm out here putting water in them now, and everything's perking right up. But I wanted to show you then, so that just led me to think, oh my gosh, I need to show you guys because my tomato plants, you guys, are so impressive. All right, so let me turn this baby around. Okay, I'm gonna try to get where you can see from the point of view. So there is one tower. Look at that tomato plant. It's crazy big. And my tomatoes this summer struggled, probably as everybody's did, because it was so dang hot. Here's the beauty of gardening aeroponically, is that when you keep your water base full of water, your roots stay cool and your plants don't struggle as much, right? But they still grew really slow this year because of the extended heat, and it got hot so fast, and it stayed hot, so hot. And then this week is hot again, but it cooled off a little bit. And when it cooled off a little bit, my tomatoes exploded. And if you can see, they are still like packed full of blooms, and I'm just packed full of tomatoes. So we are going to be eating tomatoes probably clear up until it freezes, because they are just loving this weather. So there's the one tower, and then I have more tomatoes over here that are doing well, but this one plant over here is just a happy camper for sure. But I wanted to show you, this one is Aroma, and it is just packed full, and I've already picked quite a few. But the key to gardening, obviously, is to eating as much as you can straight off the vine. So I'm gonna let those ripen for a few more days before we eat them, since I have plenty. And there's a cucumber creeping off the side of the tower there. More tomatoes, obviously fresh grown tomatoes in the summer are awesome. Some basil that I need to do something with because it's flowering, it's trying to go to seed. And all my droopy greens that are working on perking right up. So, and then I wanted to show you my haul for the day off of my 2 towers. 3 peppers, some tomatoes, lots of tomatoes, and some cucumbers. And then we've had basil and lettuce on, we picked some of that and ate it with our lunch today. So there you have it. My 2 beautiful tower gardens. And then I have a baby one down there. It has mostly greens on it that I used at an event last weekend, and then I'm just kind of gonna let it peter out and then pack it up. So there you have it. All right, everyone, have an awesome day.